In this video, we're going to look at how you can get free money, free stocks, free stuff. Yeah, free stuff. Okay. Oh, it's recording. In this video, we're going to look at how you can get a free share in either Nike, Dropbox, or Gopro on the investing app Stake. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on this channel I love talking about making money online and generally how to be smarter with your money. But getting into the video, in order to get this free share in either Nike, Dropbox, or Gopro with the investment app Stake, there's just 7 really simple, easy steps which I'm going to take you through now in this video. Before I do though, let me just quickly mention the investment group or investing group that I have set up over on Facebook, which has quite a few members now, actually, around 100 members, all interested in investing. And it's kind of more for people that are interested in sort of longer term, low risk investments rather than kind of the day trading, high risk vibe. I'll leave a link for that down in the description, of course. Counting these steps down then from 7 down to 1, and do watch to the end because I'm going to share with you exactly which one I got when you press the little spinner and it spins on the screen there. The first step that you'll need to do then is go down into the description and click my referral link in order to get over to the App Store so that you can download the app. Now, obviously, being completely transparent here, I do earn a free share when you go through my link. You don't have to go through my link. I know some people can get a bit arsey with this. You completely don't have to go through my link. It's completely up to you. But of course, with these videos taking me anywhere between sort of 8 to 12 hours to sort of film, edit, and upload, it is massively appreciated if you do go through my link.
Thank you for being loyal. Thank you for growing with me.
This is actually the second video I've done now on one of these sort of welcome offers to an investment platform. Do check out this video which I did on how to get a free share with the app Freetrade. Freetrade's an actual platform I'm using. Now with this video talking about getting a free share in Stake, this video is just for me to show you, look, you can get a free share and then, it's up to you if you want to carry on using it. Freetrade is actually the platform that I am using to invest in and build my long-term wealth with. The second step then is to press install and install the app to your phone. And then it'll ask you for a referral code, which you'll have to put my referral code in. If you've gone through my link, it still then wants you to put the code in. So I'll put that code up on the screen now just for a few seconds for you to pause it if you want to write it down. Or I'll put it down in the description as well for you to have a look there. Step 3 is going to be verifying your email. So you'll just put your email in, and then of course, as usual, it'll just send you an email, give you a code, and then just pop that code in just to make sure everything matches up. Step 4 then is going to be putting in all your details, so all the usual stuff, name, address, stuff like that. Then step 5, it's going to ask you to fund your account, and in order to qualify for the free share, and this is quite important, is you need to fund the account within 24 hours. So as soon as you open the account, if you don't then put any money in within that 24 hours, and there is a little timer on the screen, you won't qualify for that free share. I suppose they've just done that so that people don't open an account, leave it, go away and do something else. You need to sort of set around 5 minutes to one side to do this from start to finish. That's how long it took me. One quick word of warning, when you go onto the fund your account screen, it will, as default, be set up as depositing £2,500, which many of you may not want to do if you're just doing this to get the free share. The minimum deposit is £50, so I would definitely change that from £2,500 to £50 as all you want to deposit. Step 6 then is going to be just to scroll down to the bottom of the screen on the dashboard, the main dashboard of it, and just click the claim free stock. And it will just give you another page which will be a spinner and just spin the wheel to get either Nike, Dropbox, or Gopro. It's really that simple. The final step then of step 7, or number 1 as it'll show up on your screen, is just to wait 3 working days. So with the Freetrade free share video that I did, that one you have to wait 30 days before you can sell the share that you get and receive it. And you even have to wait, it says 7 to 10 days with Freetrade, but usually it works out around after sort of 3 to 5 days. But with this one, it is just 3 days you have to wait, and then you'll be able to, just sell it and withdraw all your money. Now, the moment that probably no one's been waiting for, but I did say I'd tell you at the start of the video, I actually landed on the worst one. So I did get Gopro, which is worth $13 at the time of filming this. Now, as far as I see it, that's still around £9 if you're watching this in the UK. or what would that be in Australian dollars? Maybe 16 Australian dollars. I'm not sure without double checking. But yeah, for me personally, to be able to deposit £50, then get £9, and then 3 days later just withdraw it and take that extra bit, it's still a return on investment. You've still invested that £50, and then you're still going to get some profit back from that. And it's kind of, for 5 minutes of setting up an account, it's really, really easy money. So I hope you found this video helpful then. Of course, as usual, I always ask if you can just press the like button down below. It massively helps out with the channel growing. Or if you want to press the dislike button, if you didn't really like how I spoke to you, then press the dislike button. It's really up to you, but I do prefer the like button being pressed. Until next time then, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.